everybody, I am here to show you what I just created with the new We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. And I ordered this off of HSN last week, and it came in today, and it came in really quickly. You will be able to go ahead and punch out words on envelopes. You can punch words out for your planners, or you can do what I did here. And I'm working on a mini album right now, and it is called The Gilded Lily Paper Stack by Graphic 45. So I just punched that out on the side, Gilded Lily. So with the package, you receive 27 pieces. I'm wondering if down the road, if they're going to come out with a bigger set that has more letters in it. So, because you can see where I've you only have like one L in here, and I used it 1, 2, 3 times. You can see, but it punched out pretty straight. I really didn't have a problem with it, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how long it's going to take for them to come out with a large set. So here I have a feeling I'm going to be using this a lot, especially to personalize things. So I went ahead and put everything in this little plastic container right here for me with all the letters in it. Okay, so this is your punch board, and it probably looks familiar to you because We Are Memory Keepers has a punch set where you can actually punch all of the holes to make extra pages for your happy planners and things like that. And it looks just like this. So what you do is you open this up, and it has all of these little slots in here. It has a center mark line if you need to center your paper. And like I said, you can go ahead and use, you know, do what I did with Gilded Lily, which has 3 L's in it. And I just went ahead and spaced them out according to what they have down here. Okay, they have little measurements down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we will punch out the 2 words, stay wild. So you'll see what that looks like. Let's see. We'll start with this, and you just set it down in here. It falls right in there. There's that. So that. Okay, and we need to make a space right now so that we can punch our next word in, which will be the word wild. And I'm having a little trouble, guys, because I'm standing up doing this, so it is a little kind of hard for me to get this in there like it should be. But it's not too hard. And I have trouble with ADHD really bad, so it is kind of hard for me to keep my mind on one thing. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll punch that out on a cream piece of cardstock right now. Okay, so we have the words stay wild, and they're in here, and it's as simple as just paper's not straight. I cut it crooked. This is not a straight piece of paper. Okay, so it has your little stoppers, bumpers right here where you will stop it. Okay, oops, let's see. There it is. It says stay wild. And there you go. You can personalize anything with this, guys. It is so stinking cute. They may decide later to come out with even some different types, different fonts, letters, numbers, maybe some emojis. It would be nice to see that. So, yeah, guys, it punches very clean, extremely clean. So, again, I mean, I just went ahead and punched out a piece of the Gilded Lily paper and put gold behind it. And, yeah. So, I hope you find this useful. Again, I found this over on HSN. I don't know if they have any more in stock or not. I got it during craft day. So, yeah, I hope you guys found this useful, and we will see you soon.